Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see the poem Past, Present, Future. First, we are going to read this poem. Tell me, smiling child, what the past is like to thee. An autumn evening, soft and mild, with a wind that sigh mournfully. Tell me that is what the present hour. Tell me what is the present hour? A green and flowery spray, where a young bird sits gathering its power to mount and fly away. And what is the future happy one? A sea beneath a cloudless sun, a mighty, glorious, dazzling sea stretching into infinity. In this poem, the poet Emily Bronte asks a child what the past, present, and future looks like to that child. That child, in an innocent manner, the child describes the nature that he associates with each of these time. When the poet asked about the past, that tell me, smiling child, what the past is like to thee. The poet who is smiling says that it is like an autumn evening. An autumn evening, soft and mild. Means that child says that it is like an autumn evening where the winds lets out a breathe in grief. That the past for the child is something that he remembers with longing and a little sadness. The falling of leaves and mournful sigh of the wind convey that the child is unhappy. Means in autumn season, what happens with the trees? The leaves of trees had fallen in that season. So the falling of leaves and mournful sigh of wind convey that that child is unhappy with the past. Why that child is unhappy with the past? Because that child think that the past has passed now, and he cannot go back to that past. So he is unhappy with the past. So when the poet asked about the present hour, means tell me what is the present hour. He asked that child, tell me what is the present hour. The poet asked about that. When he asked about that present hour, the child says that it is like a springtime with greenery and flowers around, where a young bird on the branch of a tree is just learning to fly. Means that child says that the present is how is the present to that child? The child says that the present is like a springtime, means spring season. In spring season, what happens with the trees? There are new green leaves on that tree. So that child says that it is like a springtime, because there were greenery and flowers around all where anywhere. And that child says that young bird was on the branch of that tree, and she is started to learn to fly. She is just learning to fly. The present is a possibilities and opportunities for that child. Means that for that child the present is like a possibilities and opportunities that he wants to take chances in. He is gathering his strength and looking forward to head into the world. Means he looks at the present like the present is an opportunity to work hard, and all these possibilities to complete or to reach our dreams, to reach to our dreams. So this is an opportunity for us to work hard and working hard always. Okay, keep working hard. When poet asked about that child, about the future, the happy child says that it is a like unknown vast sea that has stretched far and wide under the bright sun. Means when that poet asked about what is the future, happy one, what is the future, he asked that child, then child says that it is like a unknown vast sea. Why it is unknown? Because we don't know the end of that sea. It is a vast sea. Vast means very wide, very big. So that future is unknown, unknown like that sea. We don't know about our future, what is there in future. So that child compares that future with the vast sea. It is a vast and unknown like the sea. Sea is also stretched far and wide under that bright sun. Like that, see, our future is also unknown and wide. So we cannot see the end of the sea, end of that sea. Like that, we also didn't know what is in future. So according to him, the future is magnificent, exciting and mysterious. The sea is also end of the sea also mysterious for us, or like that our future is also mysterious and exciting for us. So he is keen on exploring it. Okay, so that child said that past is unhappy because he cannot go return to that past, and future is like the opportunities and possibilities, and the future is like the vast sea, unknown vast sea. So that child says that the future is exciting and magnificent and unknown, unknown for us. Okay, did you understand this poem? Okay, now we are going to stop here.